What's up, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. Natalie, got the wifey with us too. We are about to roll out. There's Jeff and Ashley over there in the SoCal Tacomanator. We are heading out to Red Canyon in just below Joshua Tree area. But first, McDonald's. McDonald's breakfast, right babe?
Yes.
Tradition. McDonald's breakfast. Good old McDonald's. That off-road tradition. Seems like we're usually either starting our adventures with McDonald's or ending it with McDonald's. Either way, can't go wrong with a sausage McGriddle. Off the freeway, almost there. Heading to Red Canyon to the abandoned bridge. SoCal Tacomanator up there leading the way. As soon as we got off the pavement and into the sand, we started airing down. I used my Morphlate quad hose, and my buddy Jeff used his Coyote Auto deflators. They both have their advantages and disadvantages, but the most important part is they both let you step away from airing down and crack open a cold roadie while the tires deflate. Once we finished airing down, we were ready to hit the trails. After a few minutes or so of driving, we saw some really fun offshoots to play around with. One of the hills looked really steep from the bottom, so I decided to drive to the top and check out the views. Yeah, that's a big bump right here. I can't really punch it. It turned out to not be as steep as I had thought it was, but the view at the top was pretty amazing. Even though there was plenty to explore here, we decided to continue on the trail to see what else was in store. What is up, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing terrific. I am here with my two best friends, Jeff and Ashley of SoCal Tacomanator. They are taking me on this trip. We're on Bradshaw Trail at Abandoned Bridge, just in the Mojave area, right?
Yeah, just outside of Joshua Tree.
Awesome. How'd you find out about this spot? This is really cool.
So I use trails off-road.
Okay.
I was kind of looking for a desert camping spot, one of my kind of all-time. Growing up in the desert, loved desert camping. Found this trail, and we actually did it as a day trip one time. It was a mistake. It was like 6 hours. So now we at least make it an overnight.
Yeah.
But we come out, there's a lot of landmarks out here, a lot of cool things to see.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Some amazing camping.
Just the driving we've done on this trail so far, I mean, we've hit some extra credit on the side. There's all kinds of different little offshoots and everything. This is really cool. So where do you think we're gonna go as far as this? Are we gonna head back and you know, meet up onto another trail? How's this work?
Well, okay, we're gonna go back up to Red Canyon. Not gonna give away too much about my secret camping spot.
Oh, okay. That's
but
fair.
I will say, if you're gonna be planning to camp out here, probably a lift, probably bigger tires. It's a little rough, but check out Red Canyon, and Red Canyon dropout goes into a wash.
Beautiful views.
Oh yeah, amazing views, amazing bluffs. You can camp in some cool spots.
Sweet,
Really cool spots.
sweet. Do you mind if we talk about your rig and your setup and what you got up there? It looks like you got some roam cases and a gazelle tent. Mind if we talk about that?
Absolutely.
Cool,
Let's go.
awesome. All right, Jeff, tell me about the truck. What do you got here?
This is a 2019 TRD off-road.
Awesome.
Bought it brand new stock. So far, made a couple changes, starting with, obviously, put the Method race wheels, the King shots.
Love the Methods.
The Camberg upper control arms, KO2s.
Nice.
Have never failed me.
Yeah.
Up top, I got the Prinzu rack with the Cali raised light bar.
Nice.
Right now, I've got some Roam containers up here, and I'm a little embarrassed. Yes, I have bright orange straps.
Well, they just came out with their you know, racks, the little mountain brackets.
Yes,
So.
the brackets are definitely up next,
Nice.
maybe.
And you got what, 2 of them? 2 what, 105?
Yeah, 2 of the 105 Roam
Nice.
containers up
Nice.
there. Holds pretty much everything from the camp gear.
Awesome.
Also got the Gazelle tent up there.
Yeah. Is that
another-
the T4 or the T8?
It's
the
a
bigger
T8.
one? Okay,
It's
so
a T8.
that's the 2.
Yeah,
Awesome.
so we got 2 dogs, 2 kids, and then my wife
Need that
Ashley.
space,
So
absolutely.
The rooftop tent just wasn't gonna cut it
Yeah.
for the whole family.
Oh, absolutely.
So we
No,
went with
makes
the
sense.
Gazelle ground tent.
Yeah, we got the T4, and that's so much space. You could easily sleep 4 people in there. So the T8's plenty for a whole family. That's awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome, sweet. And what else you got back here?
All right now we have Ashley making some sandwiches.
There we go.
For
Hey,
the
Ashley.
kiddos.
Hey, Ashley. little Hammond's cheese sandwich right there. There
Yep.
you go. There you go.
Coming up next, I have the Cali raised bed rack. It's like a 6-week lead time, so it did not make it in time for this trip like I was hoping it would. But once the bed rack gets here, we'll definitely be bringing the Roam containers down from the roof.
A little more aerodynamic up there. I
Yeah,
like
maybe
it. I
use the
like
roof
it.
for some rifle cases and
Get some
you know,
roto packs for the side.
definitely put some roto packs up there on the side.
Nice. Awesome.
As well as hoping to get the ARB in soon. And I just learned from Scotty about the Morphlate system.
I love it.
That was awesome.
I love it.
That was
yeah,
cool.
It
That
makes
was cool.
airing up and airing down so much easier. I mean, the Coyote deflators that you have, those things are great. But when it comes to airing up, I mean, you know me, I'm a little OCD, and I love looking at the instrument panel. I'm like, all right, 35s all around. I hate seeing the 34, 37, 36, 32. You know, it's like you got
Absolutely.
that Morphlate, and they're all perfect. That's good. That's awesome.
It hit me when he's totally inflated and I'm still on one tire. the ARB is definitely going to be coming up soon.
Yeah,
So
awesome. Yeah, I love mine.
looking forward to it. I mean,
You know, it's like we say, it's one project after another, 500 here, 500 there. It adds up quick, dude. It adds up quick. You're like,
it adds
"Oh,
up quick.
Man, I installed some lights, now what? It's like, I should probably take a little break, you know, save a little money, but I hear it, dude. That's awesome. That's good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Looking forward to it. I think we got another trip come up in about 2-3 weeks.
Yeah.
Hopefully the bed rack's on there and we
Awesome.
could do a little update for people.
Absolutely, I'm stoked.
And hopefully I at least have some black toast straps to tie down my back.
Right? Absolutely. Absolutely. Well, thank you, Jeff. I greatly appreciate this this little interview. I say let's go hit the trails, yeah?
Let's do it.
All right, let's go, buddy. The sun was starting to get low in the sky, so we decided it was time to head to camp. The day had been a blast, and I think we only saw one person the entire time we were out on the trails. After Jeff navigated us through some really neat slot canyons to a secret spot, we popped open our Gazelle tents and settled down for the evening. Since we both had driven our tacos on this Jeep trail, it was only fitting that we made chicken tacos for dinner. I put the camera away, and we enjoyed the rest of the evening sharing stories around the BioLite campfire. babe. What'd you think of that trip?
It's fun.
It's fun. It's really cool. I love the terrain out here. You can really let the suspension do what it's meant to do, you know? Some of these, yeah, some of these little offshoots are definitely a little butt pucker.
Don't say that.
little squeezing of the butt cheeks. You're like, oh, okay, all right, here we go. But no, it's awesome. It's super super open, and it's all BLM land. I don't know what that is rolling around on the roof.
Yeah, what was that?
I don't know.
What is that? It just started though right now. That's weird.
I'm gonna stop real quick. I hear something bouncing around on the roof.
Copy that. Sound like a metal strap or something.
All right, a little interesting. I don't know what that was bouncing around on the roof, but whatever it is, it stopped it, and oh well. So here we are, end of the trip. There's just so much to do out here. I mean, these trails are really cool. Not a single we saw one person on a quad just out in the middle of nowhere, but other than that, like literally nobody. And I know this is a popular Jeep trail, but I don't know, maybe the Jeeps gave up and now it's being taken over by us badass Tacomas. Because I haven't seen a single Jeep out here, but us Tacomas are shredding it up. No, I'm just kidding. I'm sure Jeeps are coming here still. But yeah, no, really good trip. Thank you, Jeff and Ashlie, for taking us here. I definitely want to come back. It's getting a little too hot right now. A little toasty at nighttime, but really fun trip. So now heading back to the freeway. We'll air up and be on our way. Guys, so that wraps up. What's the trail called again? Red Canyon. Red Canyon, just outside. You got Joshua Tree just over there. Coachella, some off where in that distance. And here we are, Red Canyon. And we are with my good buddies Jeff and Ashlie from SoCal Tacomanator. And my wife right there in the back. Thank you, Natalie. Oh no, of course I mentioned the wife. She's the one that's usually behind the camera. Of course I'm gonna mention you. But awesome trip, guys. Thank you so much for inviting us. I had a blast. I want to do it again. See you guys on the horizon.